Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by collecting basic items and getting immediate experience. Start with screwdriver, pliers, wire, and electrical tape so you can interact with objects. Once done, read one electrical book or magazine to earn your first electrical point and unlock recipes. This accelerates progress. Next, locate a powered appliance or TV and open the electronics menu to practice actions like rewiring and checking circuits. These first steps teach mechanics and prevent wasted parts later, so do them immediately. You now move into practical builds to raise your skill efficiently. Repairing appliances and radios gives steady XP and useful salvage. Prioritize items with metal and wiring. Start wiring household lights, switches, and a small generator to learn connection logic and fuse behavior. Make sure to use rubber gloves and flip breakers before working on live circuits to avoid damage or shock, and take notes on which parts fail most often. With repeated repairs and installations, your skill climbs and you learn component interactions. You finish by tackling larger systems and ensuring reliability. Install generators, rewire distribution panels, and set backup circuits so your base stays powered. These tasks yield high XP and permanent benefits. Craft solar panels, batteries, and an inverter when available to make sustainable power. When something fails, methodically isolate the problem. Test sections, check fuses and breakers, reconnect ground wires, and replace faulty components. If persistent issues remain, step back, review wiring logic, and repair simpler appliances again to rebuild confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.